subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to understand how to produce AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate by using NOR gates. So in our previous class we have clearly discussed how to produce AND, OR and NOT gates by using NAND gate. Similarly, this class we will have the discussion on NOR gates, and in our previous classes we have clearly discussed about the basic gates and the universal gates. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here, because the understanding of those videos is very much important for you to understand what's happening in this video. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire playlist so that you can have deeper insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, we are going to create an AND gate, an AND operation, and OR gate and NOT gate by using NOR gates. So all these gates are NOR gates. Using the NOR gates we are going to create AND operation. So the first is a two input AND gate using NOR gate. So now how to do this? So what does that mean is this part is going to be inside the circuit box, and we assume that this is an AND gate, and giving the inputs here, giving the inputs, two input possible inputs. With two inputs, the number of inputs that are possible are four combinations are possible. Using all these four combinations, we will try to understand whether the output that we are going to get, for all possible four combinations is equal to the output of the AND operation or not, is equal to the output of the AND operation. So whether the output that is going to be generated by all these four combinations is equivalent to the AND operation is not, that we will try to understand. So starting from this, it is 0 0, the first input is 0 0, and these are NOR gates. The output for the two input combinations of the NOR gate is provided here, and this is for OR gate and this is for AND gate. Okay, now if you take this NOR gate, the input is going to be 0 0, because this is connected to one single input. This 0 will get splitted here and this one, so it is going to be 0 0 0 0. And what is the output for 0 0 in the NOR gate? The output for 0 0 in the NOR gate is 1, and 1 will be out here, and similarly here we have 0 0, and here also the output will be 1, and this output will be generated as the input for this NOR gate. And what is the output for NOR gate when the input is 1 1? When the input is 1 1, what is the output for NOR gate? The output for NOR gate is 0. So the output is a 0. For 0 0, this entire circuit is going to produce a 0. For 0 1, what is the output of this gate? So because it is 0, it is going to be the input for this gate is going to be 0 0, and because it is 1, the input for this NOR gate is going to be 1 1. And now what is the output of 1 1? Output of 1 1 for output of a NOR gate for 1 1 is a 0, and output of a NOR gate for 0 0 is 1. For 0 0 is 1. And now this is going to be the input for this gate, it is 1 0. And what is the output of a NOR gate for 1 0? For 1 0, the output is going to be a 0. So this is a 0. If the input is 0 1, this circuit is going to produce a 0. If the input is 0 1, this circuit is going to produce a 0. And what is the truth value for 0 1 in the AND operation? It is 0. So for AND operation, the truth value of 0 1 is 0. And similarly, if you send 1 0 to this, the input is going to be 1 1, and to this the input is going to be 0 0, and the output of a NOR gate for 1 1 is 0, output of a NOR gate for 0 0 is 1, and this is going to be the input for this NOR gate. Input for this NOR gate, it is 0 1. Now what is the output of a NOR gate? Output of a NOR gate for 0 1. For 0 1 the output of the NOR gate is 0. So this is the output of this circuit for 1 0. Similarly, if you take 1 1, what is the output? You take 1 1 here, so it is going to generate a 0, and this one is going to generate a 0. This is going to be the input for this NOR gate, and for 0 0 the NOR gate input is, for 0 0 the NOR gate input output is 1. Okay, so this the sequence of outputs that we got are for the combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So this is what the truth table for AB in the sense AND operation. For AND operation with two input combinations, this is what we got, right? AB. So for 4 combinations of 2 inputs, it is going to generate 0 0, 0 1. So which is same as that of this one. So this is the circuit to generate the AND operations by using the NOR gate. Similarly, this is the circuit to generate OR operation by using NOR gates. We will check that. How to check that? The OR operation truth table is there, and also the NOR operation is also there here. Now using those values, we will try to generate this output. So for example, if you take 0 0, first 0 0, this 0 is going to be here, and this value will get transferred to this as the input for this circuit. So this is going to be a 0. So the value 0 will be transferred as an input for this gate, and the value 0 will be transferred as an input for this gate. So it is going to be 0 0. For 0 0, what is the output in for the XOR operation? For the input 0 0, what is the output for the XOR operation? It is going to be 1. And for 0 0, here it is going to be 1. And this is going to be the input for this NOR gate. And now, being the input as 1 1 to the NOR gate, 1 1 is going to generate a 0 in the NOR gate, and the next input is going to be 0 1, and now this one is going to be the input for this gate, and this 0 is going to be the input for this gate. Now the inputs are 0 1 for this NOR gate, 0 1 the output is going to be a 0, and similarly it is 1 0 for 0 1 for 0 1 the output for a XOR gate is going to be a 0, and this is going to be the input for this gate. And for 0 0 the output for XOR gate is going to be, for 0 0 the output for XOR is going to be 1. So this is the circuit. Okay, now the next input is going to be 1 0. The next is going to be a 1 0. So this 0 is going to be the input for this gate, and this 1 is going to be the input for this gate. Now it is 1 0. For 1 0 the XOR is going to be 0, and for 1 0 the XOR is going to generate a 0, and for 0 0 the XOR is going to generate a 1. For 0 0 the XOR is going to generate a 1, and the output is 1 for 1 0. And similarly, if you take 1 1, and this one is going to be the input here, and this one is going to be the input here. Okay, here and here. So it is going to be the input here and here also, because it will get transferred here. Now for 1 1 the output is going to be a 0, and for 1 1 the output is going to be a 0 in the XOR operation. For 1 1 the output is going to be a 0. Okay, similarly 0 0, and the output is going to be a 1. So what is this? What is this sequence? These are the outputs that we are going to get for 0 0, 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1 or 0 1 1 1. So which one it is resembling? It is resembling A plus B, which means it is a OR operation between two inputs. it is same as that of the OR gate, two input OR gate, and it is generated. So this OR gate has been generated by using NOR gates. So this circuit has been developed by using NOR gates, and the output that we are going to get is OR gate operations. Okay, now coming to this, it is NOT gate using NOR gates. So it is very simple, one single circuit, one single gate, but the input. So what the NOT gate is going to have only one input, and the output is also only one. And what is the output that is generated by NOR gate? NOT gate. So the output that is generated by the NOT gate is always complement to the input. Okay. Now if you give 0 0 here, if we give 0 here, it is going to be 0 0, and for 0 0, the XOR is going to generate 1. And similarly, if you give input as 1, it is going to be 1 1, and for 1 1, the XOR is going to generate a 0. Okay, so this is just a complement, NOT gate, which we call it as NOT gate. Okay, this is how we can create AND, OR and NOT gates by using the NOR gates. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.